There are three main ways to increase your passive income. 1. Your income. Try to invest a small portion of your salary every month, and it will increase your passive income each month. 2. Your passive income. This amount will be small when you start, but it will grow consistently by investing a portion of your salary every month. You are going to invest the passive income back into your portfolio, and it will also increase your passive income. At some point, this amount will be greater than your total salary. 3. Other people's money. By investing money that is not yours, you can boost your passive income faster and achieve your financial freedom sooner. In this section, I'm going to delve deeper into each way.